Hello everyone, and welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products in the same category to help you make informed buying decisions. Today, we have two mini drones for you, the DEERC D20 Mini Drone and the SOTAONE S400 Drone. We'll be comparing these drones in various categories to see which one comes out on top. Let's get started. When it comes to capturing aerial photos and videos, both drones have impressive features. The DEERC D20 Mini Drone is equipped with a 720p HD Wi-Fi camera, allowing you to take better aerial photos and videos. With its FPV transmission, you can even see the sky from a live video feed through your smartphone app. On the other hand, the SOTAONE S400 Drone takes it up a notch with its 1080p HD Wi-Fi camera. This allows for even sharper and more detailed images. Additionally, it has intelligent gesture identification, making it easier to capture those wonderful moments in the air. In terms of camera quality, the SOTAONE S400 Drone takes the lead. Now let's talk about flight performance. The DEERC D20 Mini Drone features altitude hold, which allows it to maintain a certain height, making it incredibly easy to control and take high-quality footage. It also has 3D flips and waypoints fly, adding fun and excitement to your flight experience. Similarly, the SOTAONE S400 Drone offers altitude hold, ensuring a stable flight at a fixed height. It also has 3D flips in 4 directions, high-speed rotation, and circle flight, providing a thrilling experience for both kids and adults. Both drones offer impressive flight performance, but the SOTAONE S400 Drone's additional air stunts and features give it a slight edge in this category. Safety is always a top priority, especially when it comes to drones. The DEERC D20 Mini Drone features low power alarm, emergency stop, and 4 propeller guards, ensuring a safe flight. It also comes with 2 rechargeable and powerful batteries, allowing for a longer flying time. Similarly, the SOTAONE S400 Drone comes with full protective guards, protecting the drone from collision and ensuring the safety of kids. Its mini foldable size makes it easy to carry and practice anywhere. Both drones prioritize safety, but the DEERC D20 Mini Drone's longer flying time gives it an advantage in this category. Apart from the core features, both drones offer some interesting additional features. The DEERC D20 Mini Drone allows for voice control, letting you control the drone with simple voice commands like takeoff or landing. It also has gesture selfie capabilities, allowing you to take photos or videos by simply posing in front of the camera. Similarly, the SOTAONE S400 Drone offers smart app control, including voice control, gravity sensor control, VR support, and custom flight paths. These additional features add extra fun and versatility to your drone flying experience. In terms of additional features, it's a tie between the DEERC D20 Mini Drone and the SOTAONE S400 Drone. Based on online reviews, the DEERC D20 Mini Drone is praised for its easy control, entertaining flips, and incredible features. Reviewers mention a calibration issue that can be easily avoided. The drone is compact, portable, and includes removable prop guards. The SOTAONE S400 Drone receives positive reviews for its stability, ease of use, and affordability. Reviewers caution against flying it outdoors due to its lightweight design. Both drones have their unique strengths and features, so it ultimately depends on your personal preferences and priorities. And that concludes our comparison between the DEERC D20 Mini Drone and the SOTAONE S400 Drone. Both drones have their unique strengths and features, so it ultimately depends on your personal preferences and priorities. If you're looking for a drone with superior camera quality and flight performance, the SOTAONE S400 Drone might be the one for you. However, if safety and longer flying time are your priorities, the DEERC D20 Mini Drone is a great choice. Remember to consider your budget, the features that matter most to you, and the purpose of your drone before making a decision. Thank you for watching this episode of Buy Smart. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Stay smart and happy shopping.